Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I have just 2 nails left. Sis, don't judge me, you already know the struggle. Let's just pretend like we can't see them in this video. Okay, they're just nails, who cares? Moving past it. Well, in today's video I've cooked up a very fun look for you guys. It's going to be a 3-in-1 get ready with me. So it's makeup, it's hair, it's outfit. The makeup is going to be snatched, it's going to be beat, it's going to be contoured, it's going to be flawless, and that's on period. But first, the bonnet is on. You guys already know my bonnet is from GRWM, making your girl look cute always. Before we get into this video, are you subscribed to this channel? No? Why? I'm judging you. Hit the subscribe button down below, turn on your bell notification icons. Okay, now let's get into the look. For today's video, I decided to recreate this picture on my Instagram. It's fresh, it's dewy, I don't know, it's just perfect. Okay, and if you're not following me on Instagram, we are going to have a very big problem. You're watching this video and you're not following me. My name is always on the screen, so make sure you please check out my Instagram page. Thank you. Now, makeup time. So starting off with primer, we are going to be using the Maybelline Baby Skin, and we're just going to be applying this all over our face. This makeup look is going to be very sped up. I'm going to be doing a lot of parts off camera just because I don't want it to be too long. You know, we still have other parts to do. We still have the hair, we still have the outfit, so I don't want to spend too much time on the makeup. If you have any questions, leave them down below. We are going in with the Got To Be glue. Yes, you heard me, Got To Be glue, and we are going to be applying this on our eyebrows. Now this is a get ready with me. It's not necessarily a tutorial. This is like my personal routine. These are all the things I would do if I was actually going out and leaving my house. So you're going to see a lot of weird and unconventional makeup techniques in this video. I'm just telling you beforehand, and I just like doing this because it keeps all my brow hairs in place, and I don't know, it's just easier for me to draw this way. I have no explanation, this is just what I do, take it or leave it. I'm just brushing the brow hairs into place, and can I see the difference between this brow and this brow? I don't know, it just makes things easier for me that way. So I'm just blending everything in, and I'm going ahead with my brow pencil, and I'm just drawing and filling in the sparse parts of my brows. Then I'm taking my spoolie and I'm blending my eyebrows in. Can you see? It's so easy. And boom, concealer is already done. I told you guys we're not going to be wasting any time. Then we are going in with our MAC concealer. This is in NW45. This is a full coverage concealer, and I just use this as a color corrector because it has like red undertones. So I just put this on all the areas of hyperpigmentation, dark spots. Use my foundation that, you know, extra hand in having that smooth, flawless, full coverage. For foundation, we'll be using the Too Faced Born This Way. I love this foundation, and we're just going to be applying this all over our face, just making like little dots with my fingers. Yeah, then I'll be going in with my foundation brush, and I'm just dabbing it into my skin in circular motions. Notice that I'm not dragging the brush. That's because we are not trying to shift the concealer that we've put underneath. So make sure you just do it in dabbing motions. Don't drag the foundation, just dab it. And I don't know, watching foundation blend into the skin is so therapeutic for me. I can watch this clip like 100 times. I just don't know. Then next we are going in with concealer. We are using one of my favorites. This is an oldie but a goodie. This is the LA Girl Pro concealer. I feel like if you have 50 concealers, LA Girl Pro will just always be the best because it's cheap and it's good and it blends beautifully. So guys, can you see how Can you just see the blending? Like, how can you not love this concealer? I'm just going in with my foundation brush and we're just making everything look more seamless, blending out those harsh lines. And then boom, 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 setting powder is already on. Like, we are so fast in this video, no time to waste. We are going straight into the eyeshadow, and we are going to be using the Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place. Yes, and we are going to be taking this burnt orange kind of shade, and this is going to be our transition color for the day. So I'm just blending it into my crease. This has been my go-to color this summer. I just love how beautiful it looks in pictures, and yeah, I just love it. I'm just blending, and then we're going in with our Zulu palette. I think this is, yes, and we're taking the bright orange shade, and this is going to be our lid color. Guys, look at how beautiful that looks. And now it's time to snatch the face, and we're going to be using eyeshadow. Wait, did you say eyeshadow? Yes, eyeshadow. Yes, don't judge me, wait till it's done. We are going in with the same transition shade, and we are blending this into the cheekbones to just give us a very bronzed look, applying it on the forehead and the jaw as well, and don't forget the nose contour. Then yeah, we are taking the Zulu palette, and we are using eyeshadow as our blush as well. This makeup look should have been called full face of eyeshadow, because half of the things on my face is eyeshadow. But yeah guys, I love blush so much. I'm just applying that on my cheeks, making my cheeks look very chiseled. Then we are going in with the Naked 3 palette by Urban Decay. Yes, another eyeshadow shade, and we are going to apply this on our face. Catch up guys, catch up. It just looks very skin like. It's not like, oh, there's highlight on your face, you know. It blends into your skin really well. And of course, don't forget the forehead. Blending the highlighter into my forehead as well, just for that extra dewy look. And of course, let's not forget our inner corner highlight as well. Then I'm taking my setting spray, and I'm spraying my face, and my favorite part, my white eyeliner. You guys have to be careful with this white eyeliner. The thinner the better. Some of us be out here looking like native doctors. Don't pack it on your eye. And then nude lip, of course, for my nude lovers. We are doing a nice glossy nude lip today. Look at how good that looks. Oof, wow. And boom, eyeshadow, I mean eyelashes are on, and the makeup is done. Hey guys, look at how beautiful that looks. If you like this makeup, subscribe. Like, this is all the more reason why you should subscribe to this channel. I mean, now let's take a look at the before and after. Can you guys see the transformation? Can you just see the transformation? Moment of silence. The makeup is done. Now let's get onto the hair. Now it's time for hair, and I decided to get box braids, like this really huge jumbo sized box braids, just because I've not braided my hair in a long time. I think I braid my hair like once every year, once every 2 years. I was just really needing something different, something outside the box, something I had not done in a while, you know. Not every time wigs. The weather is hot. I need the breeze to be touching my scalp, and Elsie over here is doing the honors. She's doing a very good job. If you are in Tbilisi, then check out Beauty by Yuna, and I'm going to leave her name on the screen. If you need your hair braided quickly and accurately and beautifully, then she is your girl. I mean, I don't like braiding my hair because of the long hours of sitting down and all of that pain. The struggle is real. This hair took only 2.5 hours to braid. I'm not even kidding. Before I knew it, I was done, you know. I was just done, and right now she's just going ahead with her scissors, and she's cutting away the loose hairs. This just helps to tidy up the hair. She even went in with a lighter to just burn all the flyaways and all of that stuff, and then we went ahead and soaked the hair in hot water. This is just, you know, these are just the extra things you do to make the hair last longer, to make it look neat and beautiful. Then she went ahead and applied some mousse to just sleek everything down, and then she went in with her hair dryer. Yeah guys, and before I knew it, the braids were done. See how tidy it looks, see how beautiful. Like, I just love this style. I love that my hair is shaved by the sides. I love that the braids are big, they're long. We mixed in 3 different colors of attachments to achieve this kind of unique looking style. I don't know, I just love it. And this is how it looks like with makeup on. I mean guys, this is just beautiful. It's amazing. Thank you, Elsie, for making my hair look beautiful. This is how it looks at the back. I don't know, it's just so cool. It's so cool, I love it. And the hair is so long as well. It stretches down to my thighs, almost to my knees. And the way I was staring at myself in the mirror, I just couldn't get over this hair. These are all the beautiful colors that we mixed. And yeah guys, that's it for the hair. Now it's time for outfit.
I'm way too big to be fucking bitch.
Outfit number 1 is like your go-to everyday casual outfit. You want to look pretty and chic, but you also don't want anything that'll stress you. You want something you can move around in. It's very comfortable. It's for like the everyday brunch, girls' day out kind of outfit. The shoes are from Fashion Nova. The bag is from Shein. The jumpsuit is from Quiz Clothing, and the denim jacket is also from Shein. I love this outfit. And now it's time for outfit number 2.
Yeah, confuse me. Tell me why you they confuse me, oh baby. So we enter part 2. Stepping at the place, everybody confused. Everything move. I like to.
So outfit number 2 is actually something that's 100% my style. This is something Kelechi would wear. You know, I like to keep things simple. I like to be comfortable, but I also like to look dressed up. This gives you that kind of in between. It's a win-win situation. You're dressed up, but you're also looking very simple and casual. You're comfortable. I'm giving you guys matching pink bag and pink shoes, all black on the inside with an oversized cardigan on top. This is the perfect outfit for fall because of the cardigan. In case it gets too windy, you can always just throw on that cardigan. It's very comfortable. Like, I mean, I would wear this to the movies. I would even wear this to church even. I don't know, I just love it. Perfect outfit. Skirt and the cardigan are from Fashion Nova. The belt and the camisole, I do not remember where I got them from. I've had them for years. The bag is from Shein, and the shoes are actually thrifted. Can you imagine? I just love this outfit. Now let's check out outfit number 3.
Boogie down low. Now the first time we had in love, oh, Monica, Monica, hello.
Now, you guys know that I don't even have to talk too much when it comes to this outfit. This outfit screams one word and one word alone: money. I call this outfit Money Stops Nonsense. Didn't you guys see the dollars that we were spraying around? Didn't you guys see it? I'm giving you guys working class, businesswoman, CEO vibes. This is a woman that has money and she is not afraid to spend it. She's ready to sign contracts. She's ready to take the world by storm. This is a woman that only flies first class. She knows how to command a room and she knows how to turn heads. She knows how to get deals done and how to sign all those business contracts. Guys, get into this outfit. The suit is from Berkshire. The camisole belonged to my mom. The sunglasses are from New Yorker. The handbag is from H&M, and last but not least, the heels are from Zara. This is my favorite look. Now let's go on and see the next outfit.
We on fire, think and fire, extinguish me. Yes, think and fire, extinguish me. Chevy, we on fire. Kitty big deal.
This dress is giving me skin. This dress is giving me sex appeal. It just screams fire. It's a dangerous dress. If you step into a room wearing this dress, heads will bro, this is the perfect cocktail / party dress when you just want to have fun, let loose, go for a girls' night out, go out clubbing with your friends, and just forget about all your worries for one night. The dress is from H&M, the bag is from Corso Italia, the heels I've actually had them for a long time, I don't remember where they are from. Yeah guys, that is the outfit. Next one.
She look into my eyes and she seeing designer. Dolce & Gabbana.
On top is any essence, come and give me blessings, let them rain down on me.
Talk about class, talk about elegance, talk about sophistication. This is a sophisticated dress. This is the kind of dress you wear to a very formal event where you know that you're going to be meeting lots of people. The dress is serving stylish, sexy, and serious all at the same time. I don't know how that's possible, but it is possible with this dress. I mean, the hair is pulled back, we've paired it with a matching brown bag and with black sandal heels. So yeah guys, that is the outfit. The dress is from Fashion Nova, the heels are from Public Desire, and the bag is from Aldo. Next,
I got a girl, she a London thing. She wanna roll and smoke one thing. She make my heart beat say like say boom boom. Next time you're gonna take you to bloom bloom. Say cheese, take a picture. Shaka pose, make a see, take a picture.
now this video would have been incomplete without me throwing in a little summer vibes in there. I'm giving you this beautiful bathing suit. It's a beautiful two-piece bathing suit. I can't stop saying the word beautiful because that's what it is. It's bright, it's colorful, it's different, it's outside the box. This is the kind of bathing suit you wear when you're on vacation in some exotic island that you can't even pronounce. I've paired it with sunglasses, flip-flops, and a matching black cover-up. The swimsuit is from Fashion Nova, the sunglasses are also from Fashion Nova, and I completed it with black flip-flops. This is the outfit guys. Now, last but definitely not least, fun fact about me, I am absolutely obsessed with Ankara. I love Ankara so much, and as a proud Igbo babe, I just had to represent in this video. Take a look at this beautiful top. This top was made for me by my amazing tailor back in Nigeria. I love how unique it is with all the different patterns and prints. It's just so beautiful. It is custom made. There is none other like it. Now for the jeans, these are the mom jeans from Fashion Nova, and the beautiful pink heels are from Uno shoes. So guys, those are all the looks I have for you guys today. Make sure you leave a comment down below telling me what your favorite look was. I would really love to see it. This video was so hard to edit, so it would give me so much joy if you hit the subscribe button as well as share this video and like it and all of that good stuff. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.